Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Uh, Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live live analysis. Okay, the key data that's going to be out. In fact, from the pound, the CPI data came out to be better than expected. Previous was 3.4, forecast is 3.4, and came out 3.6, so which is better than expected. So most likely that should give us a pound strength, but we're not sure what has happened. So let's look into the chart, then we decide on how to manage the trades and how to go about doing it. Then, then we have tonight. The next important data is the PPI from the US. So we have a core PPI month on month and PPI month on month. Both are slightly expected better than the previous. Previous was 0.1, forecast is 0.2. So if the data came out to be good, in fact, yesterday's the CPI came out to be a bit mixed. Uh, One came out as expected, one came out slightly worse, and one came out to be slightly better. So it was a mixed figure which we got yesterday. So tonight's data might decide on the dollar movement. Most likely, the dollar strength should continue, and I don't think we should see any reverse in course unless if the market really have a big disappointment. So as far as the trades open right now, okay, we just now we had a filled order on the gold, and which we got stopped out. Okay, the gold order which was filled and we closed it. So now we are only holding the Nasdaq, okay, which is a sell order, which is we are looking for another 200-300 points drop. If it happens, then probably this might help us in this. So as far as the trade uh, is concerned, okay, we have a couple of losses today. Okay, in fact, the first trade was a positive trade. Then after that, we had a couple of losses, all related to gold, only in gold and nothing else, because we are taking a lot of trades on gold, especially three entries, meaning one is gold, US gold, euro, and gold Aussie. So that is the most one of the reason why you got so many being stopped out. But of course, when we make, I think we should be able to make in big. So I think we have to keep focusing and move on. So we today we put an order to sell on the Hong Kong. Okay, and I think this is missed. Okay, I think this market is closed. I think right now we can't close. Sorry, we can't cancel it. Okay, let's quickly run through the trades which we have on all the currencies and see whether what are the adjustments to be made. Then we can move on. Okay, let's start off with the euro dollar. Okay, euro market is still okay. This is still in congestion with a limited downside because the RSI is deeply over. Not say deeply, is oversold. Okay, I think we can get the price going to be a limited downside. So we are going for a sell at 11630, which is right now is 11622. Let that work, and we have a sell order at 11670. Okay, I think that is also a valid trade. So this is valid, this is valid, and we have a buy order 11580. I think that is, we have to cancel it. Okay, cancel it, and we are going to go for a sell and hold for today. So then we may have a limit buy that should be a further level. See whether we have. Okay, let me adjust this. Okay, so we have a buy order, weekly buy, weekly low of 11450, and scalping sell and day trading sell. Okay, so this is still, it is a valid call. So then we have on the pound. Okay, pound selling at 34.65, and we have a daily buy at 33.45, and weekly buy at 32.30. Okay, all are still valid. So the only thing we need to check is whether are we going for any scalping sell. Okay, the scalping sell should be roughly at 34.10, and TP at 33.85. Then the stop, we try to place it at 34.40. So 15, we'll go for a sell at 34.15 near the current high. Stop at 45, TP at 33.85 within the current trading levels. So this is going to be expiry. We would be looking to sell 34.15, stop 45, and 33.85. Expiry, we will give 2 hours from now. So which means to say 17, 19, 19 minus 5 is 14. Okay, so 2 hours from now, so we'll give it as 4. Okay, so this is going to be a scalping. This is a day trading. I think the 34.30, we may want to cancel it. Okay, so we don't want too many entries. So we have a day sell, scalping sell, weekly scalping, sorry, swing buy, and day buy. Okay, so these are the levels which we are put in for pound. The next adjustments we need to make is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen right now this is trading at 48.85. So we have a weekly target 50-50, then day sell, and this is supposed to be this is a day buy, and this is a scalping buy. So what we may want to do is with this one, we 45 we leave it. So this 48.15 we may want to cancel it. Okay, so we have a weekly sell, day sell, and day buy. Okay, so this is for dollar yen. Then we have a Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar right now this is trading at 65.20. So we were trying to go for a sell at 65.45. So this 45, this is going to expire in uh, a couple of hours, sorry, couple of minutes. So we'll just extend it by another 2 hours. So we have a scalping sell, uh, daily sell, weekly buy. So this is for Aussie. Then the next order we are going to look is the gold US. Okay, we have only a weekly buy on this, so we don't have a daily buy or daily sell in this. So let's look into the chart on this and try to do the adjustments. So let's go on to the gold. Okay, the gold US. Okay, gold US. So right now this is creeping on the 15 minute. So the hourly is also creeping high. So we should not see the price going above 52 half. So we should be looking to sell. Uh, okay, the 6 hours is also indicating that we have a resistance at 56 and 65. So how are we going to trade this is, so we are going to go for a sell and hold, expect this low to break, then the price should come down provided today's data is supportive to the dollar strength and gold weakness. But of course, if excuse me, if uh, uh, the data came out to be bad, then we may see the price spiking up. So overall, I think we should be. Let me check on the system as well. One before the. So here we should be looking to sell at 48, 52 and 56. Okay, 52 was the 2 hour 2 hour 2 hour high. Okay, so I think more or less this should get turning either at 45, 48 or 52. Okay, so we will put as 52, uh, 52 as one cell, 52. Okay, stop at 56 half, and the TP for today, we should see the price moving lower below yesterday's low, which is our 3308. So we have a selling order at 52. Okay, so now it's trading at 42. So we need to get one more level for uh, a sell. Okay, which is I think most likely 45 and 48 should be a a good level to go for a sell. Okay, 45 and 48. So we have another 1 hour left on this this time belt. So we are expecting the price to creep higher. So what we will do is we will go for a sell. Okay, sell 48. We will stop. We got to put at 54 because 52 52 is a resistance slightly higher. Then the TP we will put it as 2022. Then later we'll do the adjustments. And this one, the expiry is, it has to be before the data, which is 19. 19 minus 5 is 14. So at least it's about 2 hours before the price comes in. Okay. So we have two selling orders. So I expect this market to turn before that level, either at 45 or 48 or 52. So I think this is also good to go. The next trade we are going to look for is euro. Okay, gold euro. Gold euro, we have a weekly low, which is a buy. That one is still valid, and we have a daily buy. Okay, this is also valid. So now we need to see a scalping sell and the daily sell. Okay, so let's look into the chart on gold euro. And this one is saying the price is creeping higher on the hourly, so we should not see the price going above 85. So we can go for a sell, a daily sell at 82. Okay, we can go for a daily sell at 82. Then the scalping sell we can put as 80. So maybe instead of 82, then we'll go for 80 and 84. That should be the level of selling. That means we expect the price to turn down from there. And also don't expect this market to be very optimistic, because this is in a very tight range, and we should see the price the limited downside. So we'll go for one selling at 80, stop at 85 or 86, and TP at 72. Then we'll go for another sell at 84. That is day trading. The 80 is a scalping entry. Scalping means only valid for another 2 hours. Okay, so we have two trades on the gold euro. Okay, so looking at 2880, or we'll put it as 82. Okay, 82. Then we'll put at 86 half and 72 as a limit buy, and this is a scalping entry. Okay, selling at 2882, stop at 86, then TP at 72. Then the day sell we will try to put at 90, which is your previous day high, because tonight's data, if the data is bad, we might see the price spiking higher. So we will go for a day sell. Okay, day sell 2890, stop 95.5, and the TP I'll just give it as same as 72. Then this is a day order. So the expiry is also very keen in putting in trades. Okay, so we have four orders for gold euro. Two on the selling, one is a day sell and one is a scalping sell. Then two buying, one is a day buy and another one is a swing buy. Okay, which is our final target. Okay, the next trade we are looking for is Aussie gold. Sorry, gold Aussie. Gold Aussie. Right now we have market has been trading at 5126. So we have a target of 5040, which is your weekly low. So that then we have a day buy which is 5055, which is also I think is quite unlikely, because right now this is already about $70 high. Then we have a uh, scalping sell at 5135. So we need to go for a scalping sell and day sell if we are going for this trade. Okay, so let's see XAUAUD. Okay, right now what we are seeing is the price is creeping higher. So we will go for a sell on the scalping at, because this got another one more hour at 5140. Then the day sell we will try to go for 5170. So we'll go for two, because the market has already started moving higher. So we have already missed on and we are staying in the opposite direction. So we need to change this. So the adjustment we need to make is the 5135, change it to 5140 and 46 half. Then the TP we will put it as 25. Okay, because slightly higher, and this is only expiry is 2 hours from now. Okay, so we are going to sell at 5140, stop at 5146, 5125 TP, and this is only valid for another 2 hours. Then another one we are going to go for a sell. Okay, we are going to go for a sell at 517076 half. Okay, then TP maybe about 40 or 48. Okay, 48, and this is a day trading order. So this is a day order, this is a scalping sell, day sell, scalping sell, and this day buy, I think we need to go for a higher level, which means to say 51 5 1, we'll put it as 5 0. Hold on, about 5095. Okay, so that this one I think we need to raise it to 5095. Stop 5089, and TP will go for 5125. So this is a day buy. So this is a day buy, a scalping sell, and day sell. Then this is a week buy. So I think that's about it. We have done all the changes needed for the next time belt. Okay, so I think we don't have any entry. Market is expected to be quiet, okay, because of the data announcement. So we just key in the orders. Let's see what other orders get filled. Once it get filled, then we take positions. Then we go for add-on entry. Okay. I think that's about it. So any questions you can ask. Otherwise, we will see you again in another 4 hours time. That will be a final final re uh, adjustment of levels before the day end. And of course, if any order got filled, then we will try to lock in the profits and do it. So the advantage and disadvantage of this kind of trading is, okay, the advantage is you don't have to sit physically in front of the screen because all the entry exit stop loss is already in. Then of course, when the market is quiet, we don't get your order filled and you don't have to waste your time. But on the other hand, we are seeing the price uh, and we are not I mean the market is not moving that much, so we are not doing any focus trade. So slowly we will try to have that. So right now I think more or less our system is almost there, getting in the right track and moving, and every day I think we have orders like 10, at least 10 15 entries. So the only thing is sometimes when we are the sit in the wrong side of the market, you don't get to uh, get the the best move what we are expecting. Okay, so I think that's about it. These are the orders we are given, and once again I just repeat for those of you who are coming in first time. Okay, we are keying in these orders, all these orders, meaning to say that, okay, of course we do aware, I mean we are aware of the risk and reward, and we should be taking the trades. So then we also uh, also must take note that you trade what is you are comfortable with. So it doesn't mean that whatever we are giving the orders, you have to key in all the orders. And in terms of in times of like difficulty, then you do not know how to manage it, or how to revise and how to take up the profit. So the basic rule of the game is, of course, we have to make sure that when we lose the least. When we make the most. Then we should not let go any opportunities that is coming to us. Then we should not make sure that the fear and greed are controlling us. So there's a lot of things behind the scene that is working, and a lot of things reason why we are doing these orders in this manner. So at least we are aware of our risk, reward, and we are patient enough to move direction in the right direction. Okay. So I think with that I conclude this session. Thank you for coming, and I'm looking forward to see you again in another 4 hours time. Okay, 9:15. That will be a full-fledged trading during the U.S. time. When we looking for trading in the Nasdaq and Dow Jones as well. Okay, thank you. See you again. Bye.